Ever wondered where your child's potential can truly shine? Let's take a look inside CRPM English Medium School. Here at CRPM English Medium School, we believe in nurturing young minds in a warm and supportive environment. Our state-of-the-art facilities ensure that students have everything they need to thrive academically and socially. From spacious classrooms filled with natural light to well-maintained sports grounds where students can play and grow.
Every part of our campus is designed with your child's success in mind. Our dedicated teachers are passionate about inspiring curiosity and a love for learning.
हम अपने देश का अभिमान हैं। हम अपने गांव की पहचान हैं। हम अपने देश के भविष्य का सम्मान हैं।
We are the CRPM.
While our extracurricular programs offer a range of activities to broaden horizons and develop new skills. At CRPM English Medium School, education goes beyond textbooks. Enroll today. And let's build a brighter future together.